Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we've got a radio from Art in Derby, Kansas. This comes out of a 71 Dodge Demon. And Art has requested the FM conversion with Bluetooth, so let's make sure everything works before we send her back. Got it set to the one strong AM station at the moment that I get.
And you know, one of the most important things about
this. While we got it on talk radio, we have to test. We're going to test the virtual balance and fader functions.
Like we had one of the gentlemen I saw.
Now, in this radio, because of the shaft has got a lot of wear on it, there's some warpage. The volume control will turn without turning the tone control, but you can't turn the tone control without the volume control turning. So anytime you need to use your tone control, you probably need to hold your volume control in place. So that being said, let's activate our virtual front rear fader.
While they sort things out, it's not right. It's just the way it is. So
fader adjust.
Alrighty.
Police car. He hasn't
So
been,
now we
as
can
far as
adjust
I can
it
tell,
all the way rear, all the way front.
questioned by police. He has no legal counsel,
Front.
and the media have the window half.
Fader set.
Okay,
Cameras
left,
through,
right
and they're
balance.
making this guy talk. Now,
I messed up.
you know, and
My mistake. Let's try it again.
EQ set.
Okay.
is correct, right? So we'll talk about that when we come back from this.
Balance adjust.
Hey,
The trap and
Okay,
the emotional
left,
dump that you get after
right,
after a situation where you've had
left,
to defend yourself, even a fist
right.
fight, you know, you get that emotional dump afterwards of adrenaline coming out of your body. You just make strange things happen.
Balance set.
So we're
Alrighty.
going to talk about what happened with him.
Okay, let's
and
go
what
to
to do in
FM.
that
We don't need all this
situation.
stuff anymore.
Yourself and your family.
Make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Firing Line Radio Show here with Rob.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so while we're waiting, so she'll come back in 90 seconds saying pairing not completed. Let's go ahead and switch to FM. Off on. Now we're in FM. I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test.
Jesus is coming back. For housework.
Okay, and that takes care of it. That tests the AM, FM, Bluetooth activation, and make sure the dial lamp is good. We got a good dial light there, so because I always replace it. So, okay, that takes care of this radio, and I'm ready to get on to the next video. Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. You can tell by the difficulty I have speaking that I'm not going to be doing a lot of phone talking anymore. You have to visit my website before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the website's for. If you're willing to visit my website before calling me, we can do business. Thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Art, for your business all the way from Kansas. See you guys next time.